An SCP has entered our world. This is not test. Another SCP has entered our world. This truck is called the SCP-3899, also known as the Night Hauler. Its appearance is similar to Optimus Prime, but this one is deadly. It does not seem to have a human body, but this is not currently confirmed. There have been no casualties the Night Hauler has made, so for safety drive as fast as possible to outrun it. If you don't have a car, pop the Night Hauler's tires to slow them down. Thanks for watching our emergency alert system.